Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Okay children, in this video I am going to solve the questions of exercise 8.3 of the chapter 8 Algebraic expression and identities of class 8. Okay, so in the first question we have to carry out the multiplication of the expressions. Okay, so here we have to find the product. So let's see how to do. Okay, in the first question we have to find the product of a monomial and a binomial. It is having one term, so it is monomial, and q plus r, that this expression contains two terms, so it is a binomial. Okay, let's see how to do. So 4p into q plus r. Okay children, let me tell you one thing. Okay, the binomial you can keep it inside the bracket. Okay, now 4p multiplied by q plus r, that means that you have to multiply 4p with q and 4p with r as well. Okay, so 4p into q is equal to 4pq, and what is the sign here? Plus. Okay, and 4p into r is 4pr. Here you can say that this is a distributive property, okay, over addition. Okay, so 4p into q plus r is equal to 4pq plus 4pr. Okay, children, in the second question we have to multiply ab, a monomial, with a binomial a minus b. Okay, so ab multiplied by a minus b. Here you can say that this, you can use the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, now ab into a minus b, it means first ab will be multiplied with a and then it will be multiplied with minus b. Okay, so ab into a minus ab into b. Okay, now a and a, okay, they are the same base, so you can say that you can apply here the laws of exponents. Okay, so here when the bases are same, the powers will get added, so it will be a square b minus here b and into b. They have same base, so the powers will get added and the answer will be a square b minus ab square. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, in the third question again there is a binomial and we have to multiply with a monomial, 7a square into b square. So a plus b multiplied by 7a square b square. Okay, again distributive property you can apply over addition. Okay, now 7a square b square will be first multiplied with 8, so it will be 7a square b square into 8. What is the sign here? Plus, so you put here plus sign, then 7a square b square will be multiplied with b. Okay, now we have to apply the laws of exponents. Okay, so it will be 7a square, you can keep the like terms together. Okay, like bases together, into b square into, okay, now they are having the same base, the powers will get added. So here nothing is mentioned, it means it is 1 here, so it will be 7aq into b square plus here 7a square, the bases are same. Okay, the powers will again get added because it is a multiplication operation is applied here. So the answer is 7a cube b square plus 7a square b cube. Okay. In the fourth question, we have to multiply the binomial a square minus 9 with the monomial 4a. Okay. So it will be a square minus 9 multiplied by 4a. So you will multiply 4a with a square first, minus then 9 into 4a. Okay? Now I'm going to make a like this so that it will be, you can understand it well. Now, here you can keep the like bases together, so it will be easy for you to understand. 9 fours are numerical coefficient will be multiplied, so it will be 36a. And here you can apply the laws of exponent. Bases are same, so and the multiplication operation is added, is applied here, so the powers will get added. So it will be 4a cubed minus 36a. Okay.